All right, here's going to be a huge thing, and I'm so glad I'm getting it out of the package for two reasons. This package takes up a lot of room, and I'm sure the horse won't take up as much. I had the original Stridor and Nightmare, I think it was the other one. The evil colored one is like, you know, if they're going to make a good one, they're going to make a bad one. This is new for 2022, but I got it for clearance for a lot less. It came with the wave that this is actually probably the only wave that we got at our Walmart, except for these two. I didn't see these at Walmart. I saw these at Big Lots. That's where I got them. These were the only ones we got at Walmart after the first wave, and that was it. People are always like, yeah, they're on like series whatever, and like, I've never seen any of these. Our Walmart doesn't get anything. Like the Masterverse, we got first wave. That was it. It was done. And it sold out. It wasn't like nobody bought the Masterverse. It didn't go on clearance. And yeah, I'm just kind of surprised. So we got information. It's 1/2 war horse, 1/2 war machine, Stridor. He's the guy who helps you get rid of your pimples. That's Stridex. You can replace with a second helmet. You can attach the floor of Castle Grayskull, pose into powerful battle positions. Now, the original Stridor did not pose. It was like, his cannon was about the only thing he can move. The cannon on his butt. Other than that, you just had a big piece of plastic. I've already taken the liberties opening part of the flap. Here he is inside the package. The art on the front is fantastic, though. Yeah, like just with the Beastman, I had to take the Beastman art. I mean, it was just so nice. I just couldn't like throw it away. So I cut off it and I cut off the back part. Oh, we're gonna have a lot of ties to get rid of. Yay. Okay. Yeah, see the one that I can't get to with scissors. That's why it helps to have fingernail clippers handy. Because these scissors are not doing their job as like they used to. Let's see if there's anything on the bottom or the back. Usually there's something that's through the back and you can't get to it. Yeah, these scissors are getting bad. Again, fingernail clippers would have been easier. Like again, I would highly recommend having an extra set of paper clippers. What am I saying? Paper clippers. Finger and nail clippers. Finger and nail clippers. We'll just leave the rubber band on that. Did I miss a piece? Yes, I did. Right here at his feet. I want to make sure this horsey does not just ride off into the sunset. Oh my gosh. There we go. His bridles. There we go. Alright, straight out of the package. Oh, boy. He didn't like that bit too much, did he? Well, maybe we'll make it apple flavor for you. Oh, weird. He's got mouth articulation. That is something completely new. I did not even think that was coming. I just thought it was going to be like, just, you know, pressure and put it in there. This is creepy, man. He's got all this articulation. Not creepy. It's good. It's like, I'm used to my Stridor being stiff. I don't think he even made one. Did they even make one? Because I don't have it from the line that what is it called? The Matty Collector line. He's got all the articulation the original one did not even remotely have. Like I said, the original one was like getting those ponies that little girls play with. They don't move at all. They're just permanently statically posed. Wow. All right, there we go. Maybe I should get my other Stridor out and then try to figure out how to put him in the same pose. So all this articulation makes me wonder if he's going to end up shooting his tail by mistake. It's like, he's smacking a fly and he shoots his tail off. That would hurt. Oh, I just put the, I have a figure over here that I just got finished reviewing 5 seconds ago. It's Skeletor. Yeah, I knew this armor was going to come off of him eventually. It's too bright and pretty. It looks like Magneto's armor, actually. I always thought this was weird to put them inside of it like you were driving a car instead of his, you know, wrapping their legs around them. Like you would a real horse. Let me see on the picture. Yeah, it's the same thing on the picture. And you put the reins up there. I wonder Okay, I thought maybe there's a way to keep the reins to in case you have him too busy with weapons. I mean, he doesn't need a bit in his mouth if he's a robot. He comes with an extra helmet. It has to be cut out of the package. I'm not sure what the extra helmet's for. Was there something in one of the cartoons that had him in a different helmet? Like, you know. I do like the extra helmet better, though. Alright. Since I can't get behind it, it's going to be hard to get these little guns out. Alright. Let's see, get the scissors. Okay, well, this takes a lot of extra work. I really hate that noise. The cat's getting interested. That's one of the reasons I hate it, because the cat's like, oh, what do you need help with? I can cut it. No, you can't. My gosh, it looks like they glued them in there. Alright. Exhausted. Okay, did they go in like this or like this? Alright. I don't know if there's like a left one or a right one, because they look like they're pretty much the same on both sides. Like very, you can use them from either way. And then this is what I was thinking it might have some help with. Yeah, there we go. Because I don't want to put the reins in his hands. I mean, he's got all the on computer stuff right there on the dash. So I don't think it's necessary. I mean, the original one, I don't think the original one came with one. I don't remember it. Of course, I had one like from like yard sale, Goodwill, something like that. I can't remember where I got it from. I got it secondhand. I did not get one from the original. Oh my gosh, I just realized there's more stuff in there. I didn't even see because the blue color made it match too much. Meow. Meow. I need attention. Please give me attention. Cats are spoiled here. It's not my fault. We got that, and we got the plug. I take the rubber band off. There we go. Where does it plug into? Oh, I see. Io silver away. That looks pretty good. Except his thing came off right here. Well, these cause it to come off, but you can take the bit out of his mouth. It does not have to be in his mouth. That's why I put everything on him that I can. There we go. And then he's got even more stuff that I got to get out of here. These little blue missiles that you wouldn't even notice if you weren't paying attention. I don't see anything on the package that talks about these or shows these. Let's see what they're here for. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to assume they go here. Why there's 3 of them, that's something I don't understand. Because there's nothing on the package, and there's no comic book or booklet, is there? Mine don't come with anything like that. Oh, okay. Here's where it is on the package. See? So the blue blast effects are on the very front picture, and that's it. I'm assuming they're all the same. Doesn't seem like there's any different. Alright. So you just push them down on it. They look like they're shooting water, which would be kind of cool for his other thing he had. The squirting thing. Alright, well hey, thanks for spending, 9 minutes of life with me. Let me know if this is one of the things you picked up. I think I got mine for like 15 bucks on clearance or something. Oh, no, gosh, no. Wow, no. I just realized what I paid for it. Look at that. $4.99. Are they out of their mind? They said it was compared to $17. I was like, I'm pretty sure it cost more than $17 originally. $4.99. I should have got 2 of these. I could have repainted the other one. It's just like me. I don't want to get greedy and get too many. But heck yeah, guys, if you could find out Euros, now, to be honest though, there's a date on here somewhere. I know they said something about, because I remember the one picked it up one time. I was like, oh, it's been here since something. I'm like, how do you see that? Like maybe January 16th, or I don't know. There's somewhere on here has like a number that you could tell it's whenever it was, sticker priced. I don't know. You tell me. If you can tell me, that would be great. Comment below. And thank you for spending 10 minutes with me today.